Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So all this here may look like a few weeks worth of time. It's actually just the past several days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to do this time frame. It does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Friendly reminder, Bitcoin is open 24/7, so if you're watching this video 15-20 hours after I upload it, then yeah, the chart might look a little different for you. But my goal here is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible, and I'm going to accomplish that by talking about more so general levels, and then walking you through some questions, and based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. So since the last video I did, the price is now broken down below that important area of support right there at right around 70.50. So that is also where the initial update comes into play. And that update just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So let's just use that 15-hour number. Let's say you're watching this video 15 hours from now. Question number one that you need to give or ask yourself is, okay, well, where's the price currently stand relative to this 70.75 mark, which is, right around that area, give or take. I mean, not exactly, but because that is going to be now the near-term level of resistance. If you are answering the question that the price is up above 70.75, then it just becomes a question of, okay, well, how much higher up above it? And, from that point of view, gut instincts, common sense will take you far, meaning the higher the price is up above 70.75, the better. So, I mean, don't get me wrong, if the price is right there, that's definitely a good sign. At least that implies that the price is, leveled off and then worked its way back upwards. But if you're answering the question that the price is all the way up there or even all the way up there, each one of those situations is, much different. But again, to make things as simplified as possible, as long, the higher the price is up above 70.75, the more strong the chart actually is. Now, in the event you're saying, well, Clay, the price is actually still down below 70.75, 15 hours from now, whenever you're watching this, then the next question you'd want to ask yourself was, okay, well, where's the price at relative to 6,800, which is the value of that green line? If you're answering the question that the price is down below 6,800, then that just tells you that, this current downwards momentum right now that's happened over the past few hours has just picked up that much more steam, that much more momentum, and, that the bears have, taken that much more control of the chart. I'd be very shocked if you're answering this question in this way, but if you're answering the question that the price is below 6,800, you then want to quickly check and just say, all right, well, where's the price at relative to 6,500? If somehow you're answering the question that the price is down below 6,500, which I highly doubt you are, that would just imply that the bears have really shown up in a big way. But like I said, I'd be shocked if that were actually the case. So the main level going forward is really that 6,800 and ensuring the price doesn't fall below there. Or like I said, none of these levels will matter if all of a sudden you're answering the question that the price is back up above 70.75. But watch these levels going forward, walk yourself through those questions, and that'll keep this video relevant for as long as possible. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.